Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can continue the Android system updates that you've paused before. So if you are maybe accidentally or maybe purposely pause the system updates on your Android and you want to continue the updates, this is how you're going to do it. So first, you can go to the settings on your phone, and then here you can just find the system update settings. So let's scroll down, and here is the system update. Okay, so as you guys can see here, I already download the updates, but I'm not finished. I only download around 116 megabyte from 838 megabytes. So if you want to continue it, you can just click on this continue downloading, and now it will download the updates again. So it will continue the updates. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.